Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, we are doing the reading of chapter 3, The Life of the People of Northern Mountains. So, here I will take a recap. See, these days, flowers like gladiolus, carnations, marigold, roses, lilies, chrysanthemums, and tulips are being cultivated on a large scale to make Himachal Pradesh a flower basket of the world. So, Himachal Pradesh is called a flower basket of the world. These flowers are being exported to many countries since it is extremely cold in Himachal Pradesh. Wool weaving is a common occupation. Nearly every household in Himachal owns a pitloom. Famous handicrafts include woolen carpets, rugs, blankets, shawls, leatherworks, metalware, woodwork, and paintings. Kulu is famous for its shawl with striking patterns. You can see it here, striking patterns and vibrant colors. Kangra and Dharamshala are famous for Pahari miniature paintings. Some of the most commonly spoken languages include Hindi, Pahari, Dogri, Mandeli, and Kangri. People of Himachal wear colorful clothes. Traditional dress for women is kurta pajama and colorful scarves. Kurta pajama and colorful scarves on the head. Traditional dress for men is a loose coat called chola. Again, traditional dress for men is a loose coat called chola along with chudidar pajama and embroidered caps. See, people here are fond of dance and music. See, people here are fond of dance and music. Nati is a popular folk dance of Himachal Pradesh. So, what is the popular folk dance of Himachal Pradesh? That is Nati. Dashera is the main festival celebrated here. You can see the image of dance Nati here. Next is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand lies in the mountainous region of Garhwal and Kumaon. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Popular hill stations of the state are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, and Almora. So, which are the famous, or you can say popular hill station in Uttarakhand? That are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, and Almora. Uttarakhand is also famous for its pilgrimage center like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Hemkund Sahib, which is a famous pilgrimage center for Sikhs. Sikh. So, what is the meaning of pilgrimage? Means a long journey that a person makes to visit a religious place. Next is Sikkim and West Bengal. Sikkim located in the eastern hilly region of Himalayas. Again, Sikkim located in the eastern hilly region area of Himalayas in the second smallest state of India. So, Sikkim is the second smallest state of India. First smallest state of India is Goa and the second smallest state of India is Sikkim. It is also the least populated state. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. India's highest peak, Kanchenjunga, lies on the border of Sikkim. Again, India's highest peak, Kanchenjunga, lies on the border of Sikkim. See the images of Kanchenjunga. Next, the people of Sikkim belong to three main tribes: Lepache, Bhutia, and Nepali. So, the people of Sikkim belongs to three main tribes, and the tribes are Lepcha, Lapcha, Bhutia, Nepali. Women wear long skirts called boku. Women wear long skirts called boku. So you can see the images of boku here. See, this is boku, long skirt of women, and this is the traditional dress of men. So they also wear heavy jewelry made of beads. People are fond of dance and music. People are fond of dance and music. The people of Sikkim are mostly Buddhist. The people of Sikkim are mostly Buddhists. They celebrate the Buddhist festival of Saga Dawa. They celebrate the Buddhist festival of Saga Dawa. So here is question that the famous festival of Buddhist is Saga Dawa. During this festival, monks wear rich clothes and take out a long procession. During this festival, monks wear rich clothes and take out a long procession. Sikkim is famous for its orchard plantation. Sikkim is famous for its orchard plantation. Orchard means fruit garden. See the orchards. Oranges and pineapple grow here in plenty. Where? In Sikkim. Darjeeling, a famous hill station of West Bengal. Darjeeling, a famous hill station of West Bengal, lies to the south of Sikkim. Lies to the south of Sikkim. The high quality tea produced in the tea garden here is a famous in the world. Again, the high quality tea produced in the tea gardens here is famous in the world. See, now the heading is Northeastern states. So the 7 states of northeastern hilly region of India are called the Seven Sisters. Again, the 7 states of northeastern hilly region of India are called the Seven Sisters. People living in each of these states have their own language, culture, and traditional dress. People living in each of these states have their own language, culture, and traditional dress. Next, the heading is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the northeast of India. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. So, what is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? That is Itanagar. Though it is the largest state in northeastern, it has a small population. The state is covered with thick forests, streams, and waterfalls. To protect themselves from rain and snakes, people live in house on stilt. You can see the house. Stilt. The house is on bamboos. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Rice, wheat, mustard, and maize are cultivated here. Jhum cultivation is practiced here. Jhum cultivation means shifting cultivation is practiced here. So the if I will say that the famous cultivation of Arunachal Pradesh, so the answer will be Jhum cultivation. So students, these some informations about the third chapter. You will read this chapter carefully and underline the main points. So thank you and have a nice day. Rest part we will do in the next session. Bye bye.